All right, Chris, so how often should we replace the AC filters and where do you normally find it? How do you locate that?
Okay, so in most cases, yeah, depending on quality, you get every 3 months to 6 months to even 9 months, depending on the filter you buy. You could get them at your local hardware store or Home Depot. So by locating your AC unit, you want to go ahead and open the bottom. Pull out the filter. On the filter, it will show you what the proper size is that you're using. And this one shows it should be replaced every 3 months. Every 3 months, you want to go ahead and replace this filter.
Please note some homes have AC filters right in the hallway or up in the ceiling. You can grab a ladder and replace the AC. For bigger homes, like 4-5 bedrooms, you may have 2-3 AC filters that you need to replace. You can check the size on the AC filter just like in the picture and then go replace them accordingly.